away, take it away. Feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in.
All right, so we're about to do brow tint and the last strip before I get my hair done. Tomorrow's the gender reveal. I cannot believe it. You will find out who you are, what you are very soon, little one. Anywho, Diva Blanks, even though Demi is not here no more, I gotta find a better person for my brows now. But anyways, we're about to do our brows and let's go. So we did not do our brows or lashes because every place was completely packed. Express was packed. Diva Blanks was slow. She was taking forever to do one person. I was there for 30 minutes and she was still waxing the girl's brows. So I'm gonna have to do it myself. This hair is sticking out because I trimmed my hair this morning and now this piece won't fit in the ponytail. But anyways, we're about to do our hair now. Let's go.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop.
Of course, as soon as I get my hair done, it's raining. Anyways, hair is beautiful. I will show you guys more of a better view when I get home. I'm gonna go back and try to get my brows done. We're gonna see. It's 3:30, so we're gonna try to do our brows. I need to hurry up and get home to finish prepping for tomorrow, but I will show you guys all the prep of the decor tomorrow or when I get home. So let's try to do our brows. All right, we got the brows done. They're a little bit dramatic. I told her go light-handed, but this is not my usual place. This is Express Lash. I never really go here. I think I've only been here only one other time, but I definitely have to kind of like pat it down. It's just a little bit too dramatic for me. And then like highlighting the top, like we still do that. I didn't think we still did that, but it is what it is. At least I'm done up. All right, let's go home so I can show you guys this. Here are our jerseys. And then here is the backdrops. So just got a few of them. It's the next morning. It's the morning of the gender reveal, July 4th, 2026. Got my breakfast, just woke up. My breakfast is 2 breakfast corn dogs. I'm obsessed. This is what the baby wants. This is what the baby gets. I eat these like every single day. So, breakfast corn dogs. And then some mangoes. Baby goes crazy over fruit. Specifically, mangoes, apples, and grapes. She'd be jumping. It's like 7:30 in the morning. Got up early because this baby was cooking because I needed to eat. So I'm about to put on a face mask, not a face mask, under eye mask, so I could look my best. This and then we'll do some skincare after. 8:30. It's been an hour since I've done my nails, that little craft. I was supposed to get like the little face fans made, but I ran out of time, so I just improvised by printing out pictures from Walgreens and just putting these little wooden sticks so that when people vote whether they think it's a boy or girl, they'll use our pictures. It was supposed to be baby pictures, but unfortunately I was not able to secure a baby picture of DJ. Everybody I asked, like all his sisters, they didn't have baby pictures. The youngest they had was middle school, so we did 2 middle school pictures instead of baby pictures. I have baby pictures, but yeah, it wouldn't make sense for me to have a baby picture and then for him to have a middle school picture, so that's why I ended up doing this. So that's him in middle school. That's actually me in 9th grade, but it's the closest to middle school I got, and I wanted my pictures to be kind of cute. So those are the ones when people vote, they're gonna say whether it's a boy or girl. So I'm gonna bring those with me. So I have about, it starts at 2, so it's 8:30. I have about 5 hours before we actually have to leave the house. So I'm about to chill. I want to make sure my body is well rested. I'm about to do some stretches because if you know, you know. Pregnancy takes a toll on your lower body, your hips specifically. I had a really hard time sleeping last night, but I'm about to go. I don't have to do any laundry or anything, so it is Saturday. But I'm about to just chill. Just chill. Charge up this camera, clear out my extra muse DJI, and just relax for the next 5 hours. Alright, so it's almost time to get ready, but I just posted half baked on my close friends and this. Only on my close friends, nobody else. So it's out to the close friends only. Storming. Yeah. I don't know what a backup plan would be. It wasn't supposed to rain until later tonight. Pink, because I'm team girl. Of course I'm wearing pink. Here's my fragrance combo for my gender reveal. Love Story by, oh, first of all, Fenty Butter Drop and Vanilla. Love Story by Brown Sugar Babe. Eden Sparkling Lychee, K. Ali. And then Young Bougie Marshmallow. All pink everything. Why? Because I am team girl. Let's go gender reveal. And these are the shoes. Full outfit. Put it in here. I knew I bought these shoes for a reason last year.
Girl.
And I could finally wear them.